Well, somebody stole my frying pan off of my porch. I shit you not. So I had to put the steak on a cookie sheet and bake it in the oven because my broiler's broke. Angus beef steak, 450 degrees for a little while. Oh my God, it was so good.